Finally, Christmas is hitting the shelves at Dollar Tree. Hi everyone, my name is Shannon and welcome to my channel, The Daily DIYer. I'm so excited to walk you through some of the brand new items that are rolling out at Dollar Tree right now. Not just Christmas, but they also have an amazing new boho crafting section, as well as some new everyday items that I found on my recent shopping trip. And I also want to thank Fetch for sponsoring today's video. So obviously I love Christmas so much so that I have another channel called The Cozy Christmas Cottage here on YouTube. Make sure to go check it out. Of course, I am ready for Christmas around here. However, Dollar Tree is just now starting to roll out their Christmas crafting section. So I didn't see a whole lot of decor except for some really cute new ornaments. I'm always impressed with Dollar Tree's ornaments. They are a great deal, even with the price increase to $1.25. A lot of ornaments that you buy one at a time are usually $3, $4, $5, $6, $7 or more. So for $1.25, I thought these cute new rustic style were pretty cute and definitely a good deal. And if you're a crafter, then you probably appreciate that they are rolling out their crafting items before a lot of the home decor items so that we can start crafting now before it's really time to start decorating for Christmas. I am so loving their wood blank section. They have so many to choose from. I fell in love with these cute little ice skates. I think they'd be cute on a wreath, hung on a door handle, or hung on a sled. This is the only one I could find, so I'm gonna keep my eye out for more. They are the cutest wood snowflake ornaments, but there's a switch on the back and a tea light inside. When you flip it on, it just gives this nice, beautiful, cozy glow. Like I said, I'm gonna keep my eye out for more of these. You could paint them if you want, but I think it'd be so cute hung right on your Christmas tree plain. If you want to do some crafting as a family, they even had some wood crafting kits. Some were actually really, really pretty that I can't wait to use in some of my upcoming Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you can come back and see these items being used in future projects. This is another ornament that I found. It's a little Christmas door, which of course you could use as an ornament on a tree. But my idea was actually to use this as maybe an elf on the shelf prop or a little fairy door, so get creative. But I think that's what this is gonna be. We still do elf on the shelf here. Buddy comes to visit the day after Thanksgiving every year, and I think this may be one of the props that he uses this year to make his grand entrance. If you're needing some elf on the shelf ideas, I do have a video over on my Christmas channel, The Cozy Christmas Cottage. Lots of great ideas in that video and a little bit of magic in that too. They're also putting out their clear plastic ornaments. I love these. You can do so many things with them. Again, I have a whole video on how to craft with clear ornaments. They also have some new ones this year, these great gingerbread ones. I just recently released a video on how to make some candy themed ornaments using these clear plastic ornaments, so make sure to check that out too. And they had the cutest little snowmen and some upside down mason jars. Somebody asked me if the lids come off, and they sure do. So you can put something in there, or you could even flip them over and use them like a regular mason jar to give gifts in. Lots of great ideas to use with these guys. Love the Dollar Tree Carries fabric. It's a great deal. They have some interesting prints. I really like this fun one that has a little bit more of some color with it. They also had some great traditional color ones. You can't go wrong with the candy cane print. If you love gnomes, they have a whole section dedicated to Christmas gnomes. They had some dish towels, some hangers that you could use on your front door, add to wreaths, add to your decor, and I had to show you these. I had to buy these to see them. They had the cutest little LED fairy lights with gnomes on them, so I thought I would purchase these so I could show you how cute they were and what they look like lit up. Again, cute for a wreath or just kind of sat along a table or ledge if you love the gnome theme. They're also bringing back all of their great Christmas florals and picks. I love these little miniature poinsettias that you could take apart and use, or you could use them for little centerpieces or a little addition to a shelf or something. They had two different colors of those. I love the eucalyptus that they have. If you don't like glitter, these are definitely not for you, but I really love the almost antique gold look and the white. So if you like the wintry, snowy look, these would be great for that decor. And I have so much more to show you, but first I want to tell you about Fetch Rewards. This is a free app that I have been using for months now. Fetch is a super easy to use free app where you earn free rewards to literally anything you buy. Scan any physical receipt or e-receipt and you can earn points for every purchase. Even if you have receipts from up to 2 weeks ago, you can scan them and start earning points. After you scan those receipts, you can use those points to redeem for your favorite restaurants and stores, including gift cards to Amazon, Visa, Starbucks, Walmart, and even GameStop. I usually do this as soon as I get in the car after shopping. I just pull out my receipt, pop open my Fetch app, scan the receipt, and I get my points instantly on the spot. You can also click on the e-receipt function and get rewards for online shopping, and the app automatically scans your emails to find rewards for you. Now what I usually do is I turn my points into Starbucks gift cards. It kind of gives me my own little special treat just for me. I love that I can shop pretty much anywhere and turn those receipts into points, including Amazon purchases, online purchases, retailers, and restaurants. This is something I think everybody should do. It is free, it's a free app, you earn free gift cards, so make sure to head down into the description box, click the link that I have, use my code DailyDIYer, and it will earn you 5,000 points right off the bat after scanning your first receipt. With all the holiday shopping still left to do throughout the rest of the year, it doesn't hurt to scan those receipts and earn yourself some free gift cards to help with the holiday shopping or maybe some special treats for yourself. And yep, you can even scan your Dollar Tree receipts on Fetch too. Now let's jump back into Dollar Tree and I'll show you some more of those amazing brand new finds. These are a great deal too. They are metal words and decorative pieces. For Christmas time, you can usually find these for the different holidays and seasons at Dollar Tree. Christmas ones are out. The set says peace, joy, and believe. Also found these plastic globes. It's kind of like a DIY crafting snow globe kit. I think I'm gonna use this as an idea of how to give gift cards. So I actually am planning on a video coming up very soon on unique ways to give gift cards. We may be giving a lot of those this year as we have a new puppy and I don't think I'm gonna be able to wrap a whole lot of gifts and put them under the tree this year. So gift cards may be the way to go and I need some cute ideas. So I'm gonna come up with some fun ones and I'll share it with you guys over on the Cozy Christmas Cottage channel. So make sure to go over and subscribe to there so you don't miss that. This will probably be one of those ideas. My Dollar Tree also had an end cap full of different types and styles of bottle brush trees. I wasn't a fan of a lot of them. I did like the more natural look ones, but the most unique thing I found were bottle brush tree ornaments. I have never seen these in my whole life in any stores. These are definitely unique. Gives a fun, kind of funky look, but just something different that caught my eye. Earlier, I mentioned that there is a whole brand new boho crafting section, or at least my Dollar Tree had a whole end cap of stuff I have never seen before. I thought was really, really pretty and useful items. Lots of these wood style kind of hanging cut out signs with the arrows on them. I actually grabbed the love because I'm thinking a little bit ahead into Valentine's Day. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of a sneak peek into what's to come in the new year. They also had these great arrows. So there's 2 in a set and they're tied together with some jute, but you could take these apart, paint them. I actually may use this in my Christmas decor for some, signs. I might add some signs. We'll see. Keep watching and subscribe so you can see how these get used for Christmas time. They also had 3 different sizes of these sign blanks, but they're really pretty by themselves too. Sort of like a herringbone style and a chevron style. And like I said, in 3 different sizes. So a square and then 2 different rectangles. Also some wood feathers that come with some jute. I have an idea for Christmas time with this, so stay tuned for that. They also had them in black and wood. These are what caught my eye right away when I saw the end cap are their wood beads. I have never been able to find their wood beads in my Dollar Tree, and I hit the jackpot this time. There are 4 different colors, so the neutral wood tone, white, black, and then more of a kind of stained wood. And I grabbed one of each one of these. Can't wait to use these for crafting. This is also a fun boho craft kit. It says it has a hoop, 4 pom-pom, 6 leaves, a piece of cording, and it has this like metal hoop in there. So I'm probably gonna be using that in my crafting. We'll save the felt for other projects coming up, but I think this would be a great blank to use for Christmas crafting. I always get excited when I see new organization items at Dollar Tree. These are so amazing. I feel like you can use these for different things, maybe not just to hang them onto your closet rod, but this says it's a belt hanger, but you can use this for so many different things too. It is velvet, so it's nice and soft. You could hang purses from it, scrunchies from it, necklaces from it. Sky's the limit. Love this. Same type of thing with the felt hangers with the holes in them. This says it is a scarf hanger, but again, you could hang all kinds of different things on there. There's also some hooks on the front and the back of this. Finally found these vanity organizers that I've been seeing all over the place except at my Dollar Tree. If you can't find things at your Dollar Tree, don't lose out hope. I still keep looking and usually come across what I'm looking for eventually. This was one of those items. You can put makeup in it, you can put your makeup brushes in it, you can put hair brushes and hair accessories in it. You could use it in your craft room for crafting supplies. That's why I love things like this, because they are so versatile. Now for the bathroom, how cool are these for $1.25? This is a corner tub shelf. So these actually sit on the bottom corner of your bathtub. So you get a little extra storage space in your bathtub, and it has a little suction cup on the bottom, holes in it so it drains, nice heavy duty plastic. Now I know I've seen these for much more than $1.25, so this is a great bargain. It is an elevated sink tray, so it's a little plastic tray with feet on the bottom. You can put your soaps on there, your sponges on there, your cleaning supplies on there, and it protects your countertops. Another great bargain find are these bathtub soft grips. So these are soft rubber with little suction cups on the bottom that you stick on the bottom of your bathtub to prevent slips and falls. Plus it's nice and comfy for your feet. And there's holes in it so you don't get any pooling in your bathtub. This is another great bargain and find. I'm gonna try and not blind you with this mirror, but it is double-sided, so it has the magnifying side and the regular side. It's also multifunctional, so you can set it on a tabletop, or you could hang it up, so you could put it on your bathroom wall, in your shower, wherever you are needing a mirror. Let me know which item you're gonna be hunting for in your Dollar Tree. Let me know down in the comments below. Also, head down to the description box to click over to videos I mentioned throughout this video, and you can also find a link over to my Christmas channel down there as well. And if you haven't tried out Fetch yet, definitely do. You can find the link for that down in the description box below. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one. Have a creative day.